Good morning, children. Today we are going to know about the second lesson, Ideas of Development. This is very important chapter, Ideas of Development. Everybody expects development. What involves in development? What involves? What development involves? However it is. Okay? Involves. Okay? So here development involves thinking about the their goals, striving or trying to achieve their goals by putting their by following strategies. Okay, everyone has as idea for their development and achieve their goals. Okay, so you may have an idea. So this year I want to be a topper in the class. Okay, I want to be a topper in the district. I want to be a topper in the state. Everyone has their own goals. Okay, so not only that, for individual, institution, or a family, and there are different kind of people are setting some goals. Okay, so here there are development is based on their capabilities, abilities. Development depends on is on their education. Okay, skill. Okay, ability. Okay, and their way of work also. Okay. Setting goal is easy, but achieving is difficult. So, if we want to achieve the development, we must have these things: skill, ability, education, and there are different means to achieve the development. Okay. So, of course, you may have he has one idea, other has an idea. You have some ideas. I have an ideas. Okay, likewise, everyone has their own goals for development. Okay, so development involves thinking about them, trying to achieve and their goals by following the strategies. Everyone has their own strategy. Strategy means the way of work, way of achieving. Okay. So likewise, this is the development. A country want to achieve the development. How? The country also follow some strategies. So, for plan involves thinking, plan, right? Right. Without a plan, we cannot reach our setting goal. Even though our governments also following some strategies and preparing a plans. Okay. See here in this particular paragraph, you will many aspirations. Okay. Why we would like to do and how we would like to live. Similarly, we have idea about the country should be like. What are the essential things that we require? Can life is better for all? Can there be more equality? Development involves thinking about these questions also about the ways in which we can work toward the achieving the goals. This is a complex task. In this chapter, what development promises? Different people, different goals. What development promises? And goals. Right? Goals. Different people, different goals. Okay, first one is landless. Landless rural laborers, prosperous farmers. First, we shall take some examples here. Right? First one is the category of the persons. Category of persons and development goals. Here is landless, laborers. What is the development goal? The development goal is, so they expect, their goal is goal is they expect daily work and high wages and send their children to schools regularly. Of course, there are many other goals also. First, the prime goal is this is an occupational structure, is agriculture labor, landless people, they are expecting daily work. First, when they wake up from the bed, so they think what to do, what is the work for today, they'll think that. And after expecting the daily work, they expect a good wages or high wages and send their children schools regularly. Second one is, what is the second one? Prosperous farmers. Prosperous farmers. Okay, what is their goal? Their goal is they expect good yield, good crops, yield, and best price. For their produce, and they want send their children to abroad. So these are the expectations. Okay. Suppose third one, a girl child. What a girl child expects? She expects freedom. She expects freedom like her brother. Okay, so she expects more freedom like her brother. Okay, a girl from the rich urban family. What she expects? She expects freedom like brother. Okay, so likewise, so we have seen the three. One is landless laborers, what they expect. Prosperous farmers expect, but their aspiration. Expectation means aspiration. What their aspiration? to achieve, to get good crop yield, best price for their produce. They want to send their children abroad. Like a girl from a rich urban family. What she expects? More freedom, like her brother. Okay, have you got it, children? So next one. So these are the goals setting by the different categories of the people. Okay, and so there are many examples, like, so farmer who depend only rain. Farmer depend on rain. What he expects? He expects good rainfall. If there is a good rainfall, there should be a good rainfall. Okay? Good crops. This is their expectation. Next one. A rural woman. From a land owning family. So what she expects? She also expects the same how what the rich farmer expects. He also expects from a cheap labor. Good rainfall. And good price for their produce. Okay? Right? Next one. Next one is urban employment youth. Yeah. Urban youth. What urban youth expects? Good employment. And good wage. Good package. Good facilities. And a rich boy. Yes, what he expects? A rich boy from the rich urban family. What expects? Same, good education in abroad. High salary. That's all. What is the last one? Adivasi from mining fields. A person from the fishing community. Next. A person from fishing community. Good harvest of fish. Okay, so likewise, there should be a, this is the development promises and different goals. These are the goals already mentioned. Okay, children. So you observe that how we are expecting. They also expect they have you have many aspirations. Different kinds of people have a different aspirations and different goals. So these are all goals for their development, right? So let us move on. Next, after studying this, right, now, next, so what did you understand? After studying the given table and we have answered the expectation according to their promises and their aspirations and their goals also. Okay. So, right from the one rich farmer, one landless people, a girl from the urban family, one from a boy from the urban family, and a landless people, and a woman from land owning urban family, and a man from fishing. Okay? So likewise, there are different people with different aspirations, different goals. Okay? So, right from the beginning, we are talking about the development through the ideas. Okay? One idea will change the life. Okay? So, if you want to make an idea, first you think that what idea you have to form. The idea forming for what? What purpose? What is its goal? Idea must have a goal. Goalless game is goalless life is a goalless game. Okay? Life is a game, but every game must have a goal with a good idea. Then only you can expect development. Okay, so we have been studied in the previous classes about the agriculture development, industrial development, and service sector development, and other individual development, institutional development. Okay, so there are sectoral development, is it? So based on the development only, our life quality will improve, our standards of living will be improved. So, for the purpose of development is improve the standards of your life. Okay? So, development, government also taking the many developmental activities. Okay? And whose development it is? So, there is a question arise. Whose development is it or it is, right? One example. Example in the sense, there is a government of India is taking up one development project, that is nuclear power project. Nuclear power project. Okay? Where near location Tirunelveli, Tamil Nadu coast. At Kodankulam nuclear power project. Okay, so this project is meant for generation of nuclear power. Yes, development when we must need. Okay, so generation of power is important. So idea is good, purpose also very good. Okay, so nobody will object that generation of power is to meet the demand, growing demand for power only. But what happens here? Who are living in Kodankulam? Fisher folks. So this emissions of the nuclear power project will affect the livelihood and livelihood of the Kodankulam. Okay, so they have been started agitation to stop this project, but fortunately government has taken the steps to remedies to save the people and give the compensation, and precautionary steps were taken not to affect the life and livelihood of the Kodankulam people. So here the question is whose development it is. Actually the fisher folks won't use any nuclear power, but whose development is? Development for other section of people. For the purpose of other section of people, we should not exploit and distract the others' life and livelihood. This is a live example has been given. This is in Kodankulam power project. Okay, children. So I hope you understand that. So we shall go into the detail. Okay, in the coming class. Okay. Thank you so much.